Hello friends, today I'll show you how to access share on other people from cPanel. I mean, if you want to share access with another developer or another team member, it will be help to you if you want to access share. So make sure log in on cPanel. This is the login interface. Just click on the login. After login, you see this icon. This is the user manager icon. Then click the user manager icon. Then if you want to add the new user, then you can click on the add user. Then here name the user and username. Also, if you want to share specific domain access, and also import the email address. So then share the email address. Also you can more specify information like FTP access, email and IPlinks. Then you can just create, and then you will got the new email. Just let me try. Just share. I'll just new domain email. Okay, then the password user will be set. Also you can set from here. I think user you can send the password, it will be good. Then click the button. Now we can check the email. Here.
Power off.
Still not coming. Invitation pending. Let's check the spam. Yeah, this invitation at the spam. Let me check. Then you can just click on this here. Then you can set your profile. So that's it. Thank you for the watching, and please comment on the comment box if you face any problem. I will try to help to you. So thank you. Bye bye.